Nani po ingana? Hello, ano ba kung kaanda?
Ay, alright. Hi guys! Kumusta?
Ano yung say?
First question.
Ako bisdag yung kay Jai.
Iyo ka, Jai. Ano yung magtawagan na, Jai? Okay, first question. Okay, first take us to your journey before you became a mother. And what was your life before?
Nawa na. Life before motherhood, to be honest, like, sa mga people yung ma-ask na yung question, I always can't answer it straight because si Bella, I actually can't remember it na dyan as in like life before parenthood. Pero siguro, it was just like simply life with Dexter lang dyan as in. So, maybe a few years back, basically it was just life making it here in Canada, establishing our lives together. So we got married in 2017, and then if it was just me, mas ganahan siya kung start dili sa family. Pero like our generation karong panahon ng career and everything. So 2017 we got married, and then we flew to Canada, and then of course process dito, license and everything. So like 2 years child free. But in a way, it was a blessing because mas nagkasuod ng duha, we were able to establish like our lives here in Canada. We were able to prepare financially. And then we went back home 2019, got married again sa church. And then we became pregnant that year.
Ooh.
So 2 years after we migrated to Canada, we were already like financially able to build a family. So I guess it worked well. So motto ang life before parenthood.
So yung focus jud before that is more career.
Yeah. Murag ana mo jud. Like ikaw, before ani tanan, naka-focus sa career.
Like,
Lagi na
nga na
tayo.
nagyud na itong generation karon no, nga like focus ita sa itong career, pero natay self nga fulfillment ba before mo get mo enter sa world of married or motherhood.
Like mo ana akong OB always na our generation ang pregnancy age good nga or like common is like more or less 35. Yeah.
Not like before no, na 20s.
Super early.
Active.
Active sad sila.
As
Upat
in.
na. Ug ako pabuton gusto ko iana upat pero more practical na
More-
siguro
yeah.
how to know. But
Like I think our generation kay naka-learn na pud sa unsa ang atong the generation before us. Grabe po nila mga struggles ba.
life was really different before po.
Yeah, that's true.
As in sa atong parents.
Grabe po nila mga struggles and then naka-learn ta. Nice kay maka-enjoy ka dahil nga napahimos na nimo ng pagkadaga.
Oh yeah. As in no regrets.
Yeah.
And then yeah. Like na-enjoy na mo ang among married life ni Dexter na kamira sang duha for 2 years. Which like was not the original plan,
Mhm.
but it worked better. So, yeah.
At least you have time for you and Dexter no before ni enter did sa
Yan, nakabaybay dyan
okay.
yung
So kani siya na question kay gusto po ko maka-learn and kay you have another child coming. So exciting. And so what was your greatest lesson from your first baby that you will not do to your second baby, or mistakes or anything that you learned na pwede nimo ma-apply sa imong second baby or di nimo pwede ma-apply?
Talisod po na. Mura ba ka nang... Kuan man, like, di sa ingon nga mura ba tao, I don't wanna sound like too arrogant or something, pero I think raising Belle for the past 6 years, I think I would say that we did a pretty good job, Dexter, in Dexter and I, because Bella is such a good kid. And then siguro na yung mga small like physical things, like for example like sa motherhood aspect, like technical stuff like breastfeeding, like daghang kong lessons na learning na it was the hardest pinaka say nga ani
brain fog.
Kanang pinaka fulfilling ako, but at the same time it was so isolating and everything. I breastfed her for like 2 years and 4 months, and then I was at the point where this is enough. Like, long story short, we had a hard time weaning her off, and because wala bit ako nagpump og tarong. So maybe this time around I want to focus more on like saving up or like maximizing my milk supply. Upalit ko nindot nga pump this time, so that in that way makahelp si Dexter with the feeding, and then I wouldn't have a hard time weaning her off kay ma-introduce na ang bottle. Mga ana na ko dito nga stuff. Pero like things that I would do differently. So mo to siya ang murag anything ana nga part. Pero yung nga lesson jud with raising a human being, kanang makana jud ko, teamwork with you and your husband is very important. Because I gave birth to Belle 2020, that was COVID.
Yeah.
So very difficult times. Like makaana jud.
That's true.
Makaana ko na postpartum depression gid ko. And kami ni Dexter di jud mi away yung couple, pero grabe kung maaway na mo atong time. Okay. And then I didn't realize that I was adjusting. He was also adjusting. Kaya working, gabot sabay. Bully siya na ako. Ako frustrated, siya frustrated. Sige, gumikaaway. And then,
I think that's normal also no,
Yeah.
for new parents, because
tinuod siya.
adjust pa man good po.
Yeah, tinuod. And then, kanang, mo dyan na siya ang murag expected niya scenario. I was like, so frustrated kay makakita bit ako sa mga celebrities nga, oh, I got more close with my husband after giving birth. Di mo na applicable. Hindi ka ana ano rin Dexter. Like, I never felt more kanang in touch or siya kay very hormonal po ko, and siguro po siya kasabot. Basta kay more on like understanding, and then at the end of the day, things took a turn there, and then we realized na dapat kung ano ni-improve ni siya din ang part.
Yeah, because knowing that you've been together before parenthood for 2 years, so it's a big adjustment, you know, sa inyong part to have a child, and then during COVID, oh my gosh.
Yeah. Pero like, mo dyan na ang kanang lesson that I would really carry, especially with the second baby, like very important to be really tight with your husband, and like just be prepared emotionally, mentally, physically.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Warning. pero kaya na dyan as in.
But tinood na ilang istorya dahil nga after all nga mga struggles as a parents, kanang maka-feel ka fulfillment every time you see your child.
Oh, yeah.
Ako na sometimes it's like, basig gi-romanticize na bitaw nila na, or like, oh, you're so idealistic, so what's the reality? Ano ba? So maka-enjoy ka na fulfilling.
Oh yeah, as in like, I wouldn't have it any other way. Parenthood is like, cliche pa no common, but it's like a roller coaster, a roller coaster ride. You'll have good days, you'll have bad days, na kind of highs and lows, and that's normal. Kay kanang, it's not easy raising a human being, and then also recovering from, you know, postpartum, mga ingana. It's a lot of things that you have to juggle together. Pero at the end of the day, like, di just siya kanang OA pamina, pero makikita kasi mong anak nga, yan, naka-cute, art, pero you keep going jud na kay kay drive, motivation. I guess mo na ang superpower diha. Like,
Superpowers of the mothers.
yeah, hindi ko ka-explain.
As
Pero,
in, yeah, parents or the mothers especially nga ako mga friends na, they're telling me that kaya lagi na ni mo. In my part, kaya mo Pagid ako, sa huwaton ang panahon.
Not to like discourage or whatever,
Yeah.
but like to kind of like prepare you. And it doesn't stop sa newborn age. Like,
It's like a
makakuan jud siya.
lifetime, no?
Lahi siya nga style every year, every age.
Yeah.
Pero you will learn to kuan jud kanang handle it as in. And then, mabot ang time, effortless na katanaw.
As in. So exciting. Oh, okay. Dala ko na input sa imong giingon karon sa akong sa second question. Yeah. But so, kaning question, how does motherhood change you from being a career-oriented, single, free, like those stuff, then shift ka into motherhood na you have your lifetime or lifelong responsibility with your husband and your child.
Well, motherhood will truly, truly change you in a lot of ways. But the good thing about my experience is I've always wanted to be a mother ever since. I always know that I'm going to be a mother someday. And because niagi ko sa tanan, like ako yung unang career, ana-ana, we started the family when we felt like we were ready for it. So like I was embracing the change. I was ready for it. So siguro I can't say from I can't say para sa ubang mga women, or especially those like unexpected ones.
Oh,
Pero I think unexpected or not, motherhood will really change you.
That's true.
And it's such a beautiful journey, and at the same time, the hardest one. Pero again, fulfilling na po siya. It allows you to be more patient, to be more understanding. It kind of magnifies all the good things in you. Maybe sometimes the bad,
Okay.
and that's okay because you're human. Pero it will help you grow Jud as in. And then the big thing about motherhood is it makes you appreciate even the smallest things, like the littlest things. Like your baby is growing, but you grow with your baby as well.
Because we're like also a work in progress, diba?
Yeah.
We also learn as we go along the way.
Yeah. And like literally the smallest things, like magsugod ang lakaw yung anak, makita siya langgam. Amaze kayo siya sa iyang anak. Ma-amaze po kag apil. Kada may anak, di ba? Para, yan na
The simple things na imo nang na-disregard nga say
Yeah.
katong single pa ka, ma-appreciate na nimo. Kani siya, separate ni siya sa akong prepared question. But
Why?
It just
prepare day ni tanan.
it just comes out in my mind now. How do you manage between you and Dexter, your relationship, now that you have a child? Or, is the connection before your marriage, or is it getting stronger? Or the connection between the two of you, and ano mo tunga in
The
between?
The connection is different. Like, of course, like super close
Yeah.
compared as before, and then the connection is different. The appreciation is different. Like even the kilig is different. Like sa una, flowers, date, kilig,
Yeah.
Karon kay a good home cooked meal, or like watching him play with your and it's a next level kind of
Murag kiligon ka.
Hindi na siya kilig ka na butterflies, but
Yeah.
like it makes you appreciate what you have, and it makes you so grateful. And then
More in
it
action.
changes, right? Pero you are
Kasi man, do you still have dates until now? Do you spend time together?
a lot of couples do like separate dates per siguro. Pero kami ni Dexter, personally, di kami ganahan magkaon-kaon sa gawas or whatever. Pero we always do family time. Like at home or whatever, wherever is kanang convenient. And gusto ko like ang life diri upward kay kaya and stuff. Pero like a good day at home is like, for example, day off yung tanan, asibal, and then mag-movie me, mag-ana, katawa before bedtime. Pero mga small things, Joy,
Yeah.
like family time.
I think akong nakuha na is contentment.
Yes,
No?
the smallest things, contentment. O, hindi na ko ibiyahin Dito.
As in,
Budget.
yeah, dili good
Di lalim sa
lalim if you're like working abroad and then building your own family. I think idealistic na kayo makita sa mga tao sa social media, but you don't know the struggles also. But then fulfilling as well.
Parenthood here is really different, back home.
Mhm.
Because parent, number one, walang yung may help
Wala yun.
as in. So, you learn to function as a family independently lang yun.
Grabe. Swerte kayo mo diha sa Philippines.
Yeah.
Kaya may mga helper.
Yeah, so it takes a village.
Yeah,
Village.
that's true.
But it's good. Swerte ta ka natin indot nga circle
Oh,
din.
yeah.
As in.
Very important po na siya. To have a very good support system.
Mhm.
Usa sa na sa maka proud pod sa among grupo. Char!
You know what? There is a New Glasgow, Nova Scotia, Canada. Grabe dyan. Kanang, we just have a very small circle. We're all like bisducks. Pero,
True.
and we all work sa healthcare.
Mm.
Pero, makaana ko nga kwanta, no? Very, very fortunate
Yeah.
Enrolled ta sa church.
Yes.
Ganahan ko.
We have a
Gana.
strong connection between God and our friendship or this stuff. Grateful sa me.
Yeah.
No? Okay, Dai. And then kind of naman yun yung difference, no? Between a nurse and then a mother. So, what you knew as a nurse versus what you felt as a mom.
O mo na ang question yung muhiin mo, no?
Yeah.
Very tricky. When you're a nurse and a mom or a parent at the same time, na advantage and disadvantages. Disadvantages, joy.
That's true.
Advantage because, you have a good foundation about healthcare. You know how to manage, like, kanang mga symptoms mo, pa mo pasabot. Like, mga symptoms, ana-ana, like, simple flu or whatever. Yeah, and especially if your husband is also a nurse. And then, but there is a big disadvantage point because the knowledge can be a burden also. Like for me personally, dali rin ko maparanoid. Like narag pamatiun si Belle, no? Hala, how nag-gather ang symptoms, and symptoms na ako diagnosis dahil.
Oh my God.
Morbid na hula-hula, grabe na, ano,
I think
What kinahanglan specialist, ano, mo
sometimes knowledge is a curse.
Yeah, and then kanang swerte lang jud ko kay my husband. Dexter is a very calm person. Like kung mag-advance na huna-huna kasi siya bitaw mo ground na kinana-ana. Kasi sobrang sad. Pero at least ba na mo balance. Pero with that being said, like all of that, sa tinud-anay lang jud po, kung masakit na bitaw ang baby or even within the family, so tinud-anay, no, umabot na nga tayo, mawa jud akong pagka-nurse.
As in,
Like,
hello, I've heard a lot of that.
buhaton.
Yeah.
Kung saan ganito yung buhaton ni Gani, kung saan may buhaton ni Gana. So yeah, mawa jud ang knowledge po. And that's the time you go to Dr. Google, sa
Yeah.
Mayana.
So it goes to show no nga sakto jud siguro ang bingon nga you can never be prepared as a mom. Kay nurse na gani siya no, yan mother. Na jud panahon nga mablangko na ka when it comes to your child.
Or you know what will really teach you? Experience. As in. Siguro yung anim ni Dexter sa katong mga ako ra. Sa katong first 3 years. Pero siguro up until now malibog ko pero murag sige kasakit ani mo sa murag kay bawo na akong say buhaton. So like experience is really a good teacher. And then it's also nice to surround yourself with like good nga mga mom friends.
Yeah.
Like Ruchi, buwang ka na esto, nabog na ana. Sa Aryan, bakit na ako mga advisor,
Especially that we're like, manghod manggod Manila. But mas manghod yung ko niya.
Lucky, kani kinamahod.
Maayo ko na natay mga
pass the message.
Yeah, pass the message.
Yeah.
And we're lucky enough, no? Maka-realize po ka ba?
Yeah, our kids are about like the same age.
Yeah.
Ano.
Appreciate. Anyway, so if Belle and your second baby will watch this in the future, what will be your message to them?
Close your eyes, close your ears.
Her daughter's here.
My two beautiful girls, I want you to know that you are so loved and you are so lucky because we have the two of you. Know that whatever happens in life, mommy and daddy will always be here. And I hope that you will grow with strong values na among i-teach ninyo, with a kind heart, with a brave heart, and that always know that it's okay to make mistakes. Just be who you are, be yourselves, and when life gets tough, you can always come home to us no matter what. Mother siya, I love you so much.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you learned something, especially sa mga new mothers out there.
No, adyo naman dahil mo.
Oh, nice.